Hello, today we will be walking you through the process of selecting a room or a suite at the University of the Cumberlands. To begin with the process, you'll want to log into the housing portal, which will be linked in the description of this video. You'll want to check in the fall 2020 term that you have your roommates matched as you would like, and that your roommate group is fully matched. Next, you'll go to select a room/suite, and you'll see your roommate group. Right now it's just me and Daniel Williams. And then you'll select a room from the list. Right now we're going to check Siler Hall for any available rooms. Next, you'll find the room that you want to live in, and then make sure that each bed is filled the way you would like. Be sure that this is correct because you won't be able to change it by yourself. And then you'll submit your room selection. During suite selection, the process will be a little bit different. To begin, select one of the halls that has suites, like Asher Hall, and then search for available rooms. Once you find the room you like in the suite that you would like, you can then match the people in your roommate group to the different rooms. Make sure to talk to them about this process to see what room they would like. And when you're ready to submit, make sure that everything is correct because, again, you will not be able to change this by yourself.